Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a space and the floor just made you stop? It looked like liquid metal, or flowing marble, or even an ocean frozen in motion. Or maybe you've seen floors that look clean, textured, colorful, and super durable, almost like stone or granite. And you start wondering, what kind of epoxy is this? Well, most of the time you're looking at one of these two systems, metallic epoxy or flake epoxy. Welcome back to Hanan Epoxy, Hanan Resin and Craft. In today's video, I'm going to break this down in a simple, practical, and professional way. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what metallic epoxy is, what flake epoxy is, how each system works, where each one should be used, their advantages and limitations, and how professionals choose between them. And if you're serious about mastering epoxy, make sure you subscribe to Hanan Epoxy. We're also launching members-only content where we go deeper into advanced flooring systems, real job breakdowns, and business strategies. And one more thing, I'm still waiting for my first super thanks on the channel. So if you want to support the journey early, I truly appreciate you. Also, special shout out to our very first member, George Nana. Thank you for supporting the channel from the beginning. Respect. Now, let's start with metallic epoxy. What is metallic epoxy? Metallic epoxy is a decorative epoxy flooring system that uses metallic pigments to create unique, flowing, 3D-like visual effects. It is not just a color. It is a movement-based design system. How metallic epoxy works. Metallic pigments are mixed into epoxy. These pigments react and move inside the liquid epoxy during application. As the epoxy flows, the pigments create patterns, swirls, waves, depth. No two floors are ever the same. What makes it special? Metallic epoxy creates a 3D visual effect, a glossy, glass-like finish, unique patterns every time. It looks like marble, lava, ocean waves, cloud effects. This is why it's popular in luxury homes, showrooms, offices.
Modern interiors.
Application process. Simplified. The process includes surface preparation, base coat, usually dark color, metallic epoxy application, design movement using tools or airflow, clear top coat, optional but recommended. The magic happens during the design phase. This is where skill matters most. Advantages of metallic epoxy. Let's talk about why people love it. Unique design. Every floor is one of a kind. No repetition. High visual value. It looks premium. Luxury level finish. Seamless surface. No joints. No grout lines. Easy to clean. Limitations of metallic epoxy. Now let's be honest. Requires skill. This is not beginner-friendly. Mistakes are visible. Not ideal for heavy traffic. Can scratch if not protected properly. Slippery when wet. Needs anti-slip topcoat in some areas. What is flake epoxy? Now let's move to the second system. Flake epoxy is a flooring system that uses decorative flakes broadcast onto epoxy. These flakes create a textured, multicolored surface. How flake epoxy works. The process is different from metallic. You apply a base coat, then broadcast flakes across the surface, then seal everything with a clear topcoat. What makes it special? Flake epoxy creates texture, grip, color variation, durability. It looks more like stone, granite, industrial coating. Where it is used. Flake epoxy is commonly used in garages, warehouses, commercial spaces, hospitals, workshops, anywhere durability matters. Advantages of flake epoxy. High durability, resists scratches, wear, heavy traffic, anti-slip surface, safer for walking, hides imperfections. Flakes cover small surface defects. Easy maintenance. Very practical system. Limitations of flake epoxy. Less decorative than metallic. It's clean, but not artistic. More system-based. Requires proper layering. Primer, base coat, flake broadcast, top coat. Metallic versus flake. Key difference. Let's simplify everything. Metallic epoxy. Focus, beauty and design. Look, 3D, artistic, glossy. Use, interior decorative spaces. Flake epoxy. Focus, strength and durability. Look, textured, practical. Use high traffic areas. Simple way to think. Metallic epoxy equals art. Flake epoxy equals performance. How professionals choose. Professionals don't choose randomly. They ask, what is the purpose of the space? Is it decorative or functional? How much traffic will it get? Is safety a concern? What finish does the client want? Then they select the system. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's protect you from problems. Using metallic in heavy traffic areas leads to scratches and wear. Using flake for luxury design expectation leads to disappointment. Skipping top coat reduces durability. Poor surface preparation destroys both systems. Professional tips. If you want better results, always prepare surface properly. Always use quality materials. Always test small areas. Always control environment. Always apply proper top coat. And most importantly, respect the system. Final message. Metallic epoxy and flake epoxy are not competitors. They are tools. Each one has its purpose. Each one solves a different problem. At Hanen Epoxy, Hanen Resin and Craft, we don't just teach epoxy. We teach you how to choose correctly, because choosing correctly is what makes you a professional. If this video helped you, subscribe to Hanen Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy. If you want deeper knowledge, join our members-only content, where we go into advanced systems, real projects, and business growth. And again, I'm still waiting for my first super thanks. If you want to be part of the early supporters, I truly appreciate you. And once again, shout out to our first member, George Nana. Remember, the best epoxy is not the most expensive. It's the one that fits the job. I'll see you in the next video.